What's happening, everybody? Boy Big Brando, and today let's talk basic numbers for profit. Now you guys see me standing in front of the whiteboard. We're going to do a little bit of math, but I'm going to show you how I increase my profit using transfers. A lot of you guys already seen this. You guys have a good idea, but there's also a lot of questions out there asking, how do you get your transfers to be this much? How do you do this? When they see videos and I'm talking about 50-cent transfers, $1 transfer and stuff like that, they think they're just gonna go to the transfer site, buy 6 transfers for $1 each and be living life. That's not how it works. So I'm gonna show you guys how I maximize my profit using transfers. Hopefully break down the numbers as dummy friendly as I can to make it make sense for yourself, all right? Here's the transfer sheet. This transfer sheet right here, 11 by 14. When you buy 100 of these, it comes out to $1.80 per sheet. So for 100 sheets, 180 bucks. All right, you have to buy 100 in order to get it to $1.80. And you're like, well, you're always talking some 50-cent shit, and you're always talking $1 for print and all this. How do you get it to that? Let me show you. On this one sheet, we're just going to use white ink. This is one color, white, single color screen printed sheet. This is from Transfer Express Hot Split ink formula. Why do you use Hot Split and not Goof Proof? Hot Split doesn't have any adhesive on the back. They mix the adhesive inside the ink, so there's no clear outline. If you ever use certain transfers and you see that there's a clear outline after you wash a shirt or after you press it, the clear outline is usually the adhesive. It might have been bad registration, who knows? But that clear adhesive can sometimes show up on the outside. It might look like a drop shadow. It might look like ghosting. Hot Split ink formula does not use that adhesive on the back of the ink, so you'll never get that ever. That's why I use it. Very soft hand feel. There's nothing wrong with Goof Proof. I just prefer Hot Split. Now that we got that out the way, this is a Hot Split transfer. Like we said, it's gonna be white. On this transfer, you pay per sheet, not per design. So let's say I have a customer that wants 100 t-shirts. Their design is going right here. So here goes one design. Let's say there's another customer that wants circle design. So here's 2. Let's say this other customer wants 200 shirts, but their design is like a box logo, right? So here's 3. Here's 4. And then let's say one customer wants a big back design, and they have another one right here. So here's 5, here's 6. Now I have 6 different designs for, let's just say, 4 different customers on this one sheet. The customer doesn't have to know that their designs are next to somebody else's design. They don't need to know any of this, right? It doesn't have to be explained. All they care about is their t-shirt being delivered to them, right? So let's say this one customer wanted 100 shirts. So I get 100 of these, right? Because I'm getting 100 sheets with all of this printed on it, 100 of them. $1.80 per sheet, 180. $180 for 100 sheets. I have 6 different designs on here. This one right here, I have 100 of those. These 2 are going to the same customer, but there's 100 each, right? And then these 2 are going on the same t-shirt. This is the back print, this is the front print. I get 100 of those and 100 of these. The breakdown for this, for each design per sheet, comes out to 30 cents. How does it come to 30 cents? 30 cents for that one, 30 cents for that one, 30 cents for that one, 90 cents. 30 cents for that one, 30 cents for that one, 30 cents for that one, 90 cents. $1.80 per sheet. That's what the print cost is. You're thinking, that's an 11 by 14 sheet. That's a small sheet. Every design doesn't need to be huge. That's the crazy part, is people always think, all right, my design has to be this big because so-and-so said it has to go this size to this size. No, you go based on how things look visually, all right? A lot of times people think, oh shit, the design can't be that small because I'm paying for the print, so the design needs to be big. You ever seen how big a Supreme box logo actually is? If you ever size that up, like if you've seen somebody with an actual box logo t-shirt and you measured it, simple wins all the time. Big print doesn't. It's a very, very small group of people that would actually buy something with a huge print. This is all part of you talking to your customer on what looks good and what doesn't. How do you show them what's gonna look cool? You can use your vinyl cutter and cut something out and show them what it looks like when it's on a body, or get some tape and then tape it off and show them dimension-wise, whatever it is. This is just how I do things, all right? Here's a customer that wants 100 shirts. Here's a customer that wants 100 shirts. Here's a customer that wants 200 shirts. Here's another customer that wants 100. Sometimes they don't even want 100. Sometimes they might only want 75. But even though you're ordering 100, it's still gonna come out cheaper to go this route. So you're into this thing for 180 bucks. 100 transfers, you get 100 of those, 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 100 of those. Comes out to about 600 actual designs that you get for 180 bucks, all right? Like I said, 30 cents a print, easy call. Blank t-shirts, wholesale. Where do you buy your blank t-shirts? I buy direct from the manufacturer. If I buy All Style, I go to All Style and then I buy direct from All Style. If I'm using Pro Club, I go to Pro Club and I buy direct from Pro Club. How do you do that? I have a reseller permit, reseller certificate, wholesale license, whatever you want to call it. I contact them. They have a website. Google Pro Club, Google All Style, Google Gilded, Google Bella Canvas, whatever company you want to go with. Google it. Find the website, open an account. If you have a reseller certificate, reseller license, reseller permit, wholesale license, whatever it is, open an account. You can get the same price as I get. I'm not doing anything crazy. You'll get the same price as I get. That's how I buy my blank t-shirts. In California, it's free to have your reseller certificate. It's free to get it. $2 each. I've never seen blank t-shirts for $2.50. That must be low quality. No, that's just the wholesale price. That's how the shit works. Sometimes you can find them cheaper, man. I did a job where I found some t-shirts and they're like $1.80 each. Anyways, $2.50 plus 30 cents for this print right here, right? Still talking about that print. $250. They're using All Style t-shirts. Total cost into this t-shirt, $2.80 per shirt. Does this math make sense to anybody out there? Plastisol transfer, screen printed transfer, hot split ink. This is a Transfer Express gang sheet size right here. This is ganging up multiple designs. I'm putting as many designs as possible on here. This doesn't even have to be for a customer. This one right here could be for you. This one right here could be for you also. Maybe this is the only one that your customer needs, right? You have a customer that needs 100 transfers. That customer pays for the transfers. These ones right here are for your own personal brand or whatever it is. I said they don't need to know what's on this gang sheet. There's room on here. Put your own designs on there. Shit that you want to sell. Now you're getting free transfers because this customer that's paying for 100 of them is going to pay for all of them in the price breakdown, right? So, like I said, $280, right? Complete. What do I charge my customer? Do I charge my customer $280? No. So this is a blank t-shirt price, transfer price. When you're talking to your customer, customer, you pay $280, right? 30 cents for the print, $250 for the shirt, $280 is your cost. This is your out of pocket. The customer, let's say this is just a front print, right? Write it directly in the center. Small front print, size of a box logo or whatever it is. Like I said, front print, right? You could say, all right, you know what? It's gonna be $3 a print. Just for the print, $3. Let's say you're charging them the blank t-shirts, $350 for blank t-shirts, right? You have to pay for shipping, shit like that. We'll just say $3. Into this job right here, the customer's paying $6 per at 100 shirts. These are just sample numbers. This isn't what you charge. You charge whatever you want. I'm just doing sample numbers for you to show you how you can maximize your profit. $6 for 100. Total cost $600, right? Cost you $280. So your out-of-pocket cost is $280. Your profit, $320 for this one job. $320 is your profit for pressing 100 shirts for this customer. That could be done in an hour. Super, super quick to do, right? So you're getting paid $320 for that. This is just for this only. That's it. Just for this one design, $320. you still have this design, still have this design, this design, this design, and this design. So if that was 320 just for that one, this one right here would be the same. So that would be another 320. This one right here, another 320. Another 320. Let's say this one right here, the front and back print, that's yours. Let's just say that that's not even for a customer. You're just selling that retail. That's for your own brand. These right here. So this one and this one is for your own brand. This one paid 320. This one paid 320. This one 320. This one 320. 1,280 bucks. And like I said, this is not even real numbers. This is just really lowball type numbers. I don't know what you charge. 1,280 bucks off of this one sheet right here. That only costs $1.80 per sheet. So 180 bucks into this print cost. This is what you're making. See what I'm saying? Like, I hope this kind of shit breaks down easy for you guys. This is how I operate. Is it the only way to make shirts? No, it's not. This is what works for me because this is where I see the most profit at. I test out the transfers before I offer them to the customer so I know how they hold up in the wash. I know they're durable. I know it's a good quality print. That's what I offer my customers. That's how I make my money. These number breakdowns right here, for anybody that's actually in this business for profit, should ring a bell. So like I said, if you wanted to get into this, check it out. I got links for the transfer companies in the description box. Make up your own mind on what you want to do. This is how I run my business, how I operate. Sometimes I get a gang sheet and I'll put customers' transfers on one side, like their designs on one side, and on the other side of the transfer sheet, it's just shit for myself, my own brands. Customers paying for the whole sheet, I'm getting free prints now. See what I mean? So now I got 100 of these, 100 of those, 100 of these for my own personal brands that I'm selling retail. So that's basically free prints. All I'm paying for is the blank t-shirt. My retail cost is like $20 for the shirt with free print, $17.50 profit. Easy call. Why not operate this way? If you got any questions, leave it in the comments. Follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.